My name is Leo Pascua, and I attend Wahiawa United Methodist Church in Wahiawa on the Island of Oahu. And nothing beats a church potluck. And my favorite, the church potluck, because I go in reverse. I hit the dessert table first. Ellen Wakabayashi's Azuki bean Jello. It's just two ingredients: raspberry Jello, Azuki bean paste. You mix it up all together in the pan, you put it in the fridge, and it self-separates. So by the time you come out the next day, Azuki bean paste and raspberry Jello on the top. That's the first thing that I look at. Mrs. Wakabayashi knows that. And so now what she does is whenever I sit down, she comes to me first with some Azuki bean Jello and she goes, "Here, I made some for you. Here, you can take this home." And I say, "Okay, thank you." And then I put it away and then I go get some anyway.